My name is Key, and I'm so grateful that you've chosen to support me not only with your time by consuming the videos and live streams and shorts, but also monetarily. My goal for the YouTube membership is really to provide you with more behind the scenes. Now, for your contribution, first, I've gone ahead and created some emojis. These are of credit cards that used to be in the legendary S tier status or GOAT status, depending on what terminology you like to use. That are no longer what those cards used to be. Ultimately, just serving as a reminder for us and you in this community that we need to take advantage of things when they are great. And if when they do change or undergo refreshes, revamps, overhauls, we are ready. We've already taken advantage of, the good times, but now we're agile going into the future. Second, for your contribution, you'll also receive priority access into me personally addressing all of your questions and comments on live streams and of course on videos. Now, my personal travel goal is to still take at least one trip per month for the foreseeable future. And as a result of that, I do want to, again, let you in behind the scenes. I want to show you where I'll be traveling to. This is not something I've typically done. I usually keep this top secret. As well as how many points or miles, as well as, of course, a room tour of the hotels that I'll be staying at. What you can expect with those videos, those will remain private until at least 365 days have passed. And then potentially I'll make those available to the public as well. Last thing, I do have 2 levels to the membership. So the level 2 or the tier 2 is called the Vault or High Key membership. With that, you can expect to see members only videos that I won't ever plan to publicly release, not even after a year has passed, as well as early access to every video that I plan to release. So again, thank you. I'm so grateful for you, and let me know how I can continue to improve the membership for you.